Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Outlook and Teams signed in. Now start the invite. Open your Outlook calendar and choose New Teams Meeting to insert an online link automatically. Once done, set the basic details: date, start and end times, and the primary organizer account. Make sure to pick the correct time zone if you work across regions, because Teams uses the organizer's zone. Also add a clear title so recipients know purpose immediately. This helps syncing across devices. After the basics, add attendees. Put required people into and optional ones in CC, or paste a distribution list to save time. Then configure recurrence if it repeats. Choose reminders and a calendar category for visibility. Next, click Scheduling Assistant to confirm participant availability and reserve a room by adding resources. Attach the agenda or key files directly to the invite so everyone has context. Also expand Teams meeting options to review your invite one last time. Confirm attendees, attachments, time zone, and room, then click Send so calendars update. Once sent, you can refine permissions by opening meeting options in Teams, change who bypasses the lobby and who can present. If you need to update attendees or files, edit the event and resend the update. If the Teams link is missing or won't appear, re-enable the Outlook Teams add-in or recreate the meeting. That usually resolves synchronization issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.